Park Steering Assist feature can help locate and park in parallel and perpendicular parking spaces. The Park Steering Assist sensors are located on the sides of the front and rear bumpers. They must be free of stickers, deposits, or other obstructions for the system to operate properly. To activate the system, press the Park Steering Assist button in the center console. The LED in the button will turn on, and the display for finding a parking space will appear in the upper MMI display. As a desired parking area is approached, decrease speed below 12 miles per hour and within approximately 3 feet of the row of parking spaces. When activated, Park Steering Assist will look for spaces on the passenger side by default. To search on the driver's side, activate the left turn signal. When the system finds a suitable space, it will appear in the upper MMI display. When the vehicle is in the correct position, the letter P will appear over the selected parking space. Bring the vehicle to a stop. If necessary, use the control knob to choose either forward perpendicular or reverse perpendicular parking. The instructions for automatic parking appear in the upper MMI display. Select the gear shown, release the brake, and let go of the steering wheel. The system steers while the operator uses the accelerator and brake pedals as necessary. Follow the instructions in the upper MMI display, paying attention to any warning tones or messages that require driver intervention. If at any time the vehicle's speed exceeds 4 miles per hour, or if the driver takes over the steering, Park Assist will switch off. When the vehicle has reached its parking position, place the vehicle in park and turn off the ignition. Park Assist can also steer out of a parallel parking space. With the engine started, press the Park Assist button. Wait for the message to request the direction of travel for exiting the space and activate the appropriate turn signal. The message "Start Automatic Unparking Procedure" appears. Select OK with the control knob to begin the procedure. When traffic allows, press the accelerator pedal gently, following the instructions in the display. Once exited from the parking space, take over the steering function and drive away from the space. Park Assist turns off automatically once the vehicle reaches approximately 31 miles per hour. Audi Park Steering Assist can help take the worry out of parallel and perpendicular parking.